Castolin Eutectic provides product and service solutions for joining, repair, and maintenance issues associated with industrial parts. Often, this involves surface engineering against extreme environments. We do this through offering the broadest range of technologies which have developed over the last 100 years. And this is our business. We make parts last longer. Our story starts more than 100 years ago in Switzerland when the founder, Jean-Pierre Wassermann, revolutionized the repair and wear protection process of metals. 50 years ago, we had already established ourselves as the global leader. And became the industry reference for quality and innovation. Today, you can find us in more than 100 countries, still dedicated to the same goal, making your business reliable and cost-effective. Over 100 years, we have seen severe environmental changes and customers with new challenges. We responded with innovative solutions that brings this performance effectively into the workshop and on-site. At heart, we still remain a family business. Stronger with Castolin Eutectic.